Are you tired of packing your fishing bag with tools that never quite deliver? Whether you're a weekend angler or a hardcore outdoor enthusiast, the right gear can make or break your trip. In today's video, we're diving into 7 must-have fishing tools and outdoor gadgets that are not just functional, they're total game changers. From UV curing lights to portable gas heaters and tactical knives, we've got something that every adventurer will appreciate. Each item on this list was selected for its durability, unique features, and how it enhances real-world usability in the field. Ready to upgrade your fishing arsenal and outdoor setup? Let's get started at number 7. Bimoo UV Torch, perfect for fly tying and epoxy curing. This aluminum alloy UV torch comes in 3 variations to suit different needs. Type A is equipped with 9 LEDs in a compact 8.7 cm design, ideal for portability. Type B offers a brighter 21 LED configuration and a slightly larger build for broader coverage. Type C features a sleek pen shape with a 5-watt UV LED and a lighting distance of up to 50 meters. All versions operate between 365 nanometers and 410 nanometers UV frequency and are excellent for precision tasks like nymph or buzzer head curing. Lightweight and multifunctional, these torches also serve well in hunting, camping, or general use scenarios. Number 6. Noeby Mini Pliers. When precision matters, these stainless steel fishing pliers come to the rescue. Designed specifically for handling mini lures and split rings, their sharp braid line cutter makes easy work of tough fishing lines. With an eco-friendly wheat straw handle and only 53 grams in weight, these pliers are both ergonomic and travel-friendly. If you're frequently swapping out lures or working with tight gear setups, this tool is essential for your tackle box. Number 5. Carp Bite Alarm. If you're tired of missing bites, this wireless bite alarm kit might be your new best friend. The S3 model includes LED indicators for running and return bites, volume and tone control, a nightlight, and even an anti-theft function. It comes with a receiver that allows you to adjust settings remotely. Yes, even from over 150 meters away. Snag ear bars, 2.5mm jack input for swing indicators, and signal memory LED make this kit incredibly versatile. It's waterproof and built for serious carp fishing missions. Number 4. G14 Headlamp. For late-night fishing or hiking, this rechargeable COB LED headlamp is a powerful and lightweight solution. Emitting up to 800 lumens, it lights up an area of 20 square meters. Enough to set up camp, navigate trails, or clean your catch. The built-in lithium-ion battery recharges via micro USB, and its 3 light modes, high, low, and flash, adapt to every situation. At just 95 grams and with IPX4 water resistance, it's a reliable companion for unpredictable environments. Number 3. Camping Gas Heater. Bringing comfort to the wilderness, this 1.3 kilowatt dual-purpose portable gas heater doubles as a cooker, perfect for chilly mornings and quick meals. With variable heat control, adjustable angles, and a piezoelectric ignition system, it's both safe and efficient. It's designed for 227-gram butane gas canisters, features a ceramic heating element, and covers up to 20 square meters. Safety features like the oxygen shutoff system and locking mechanism make it ideal for outdoor use during fishing or hiking trips. Number 2. BDWTECH Grease Gun. Every angler or camper needs reliable maintenance gear, and this 20V cordless grease gun is built for heavy-duty lubrication. Whether you're servicing reels, off-road gear, or equipment hinges, it delivers up to 160 grams per minute with high flow. Compatible with standard cartridges and suction oil, it includes a rechargeable battery and charger, ensuring it's always ready to work. It's rugged, powerful, and a total time saver in the field. Number 1. Damascus Folding Knife. Crafted with VG10 Damascus steel and a beautiful rosewood handle, this folding tactical knife is as functional as it is stunning. With a blade length of 9.4 centimeters and a full length of 19 centimeters, it's perfect for cutting lines, prepping bait, or even campsite meal prep. The 3mm thick blade is heat-treated to 59 to 60 HRC, giving it both hardness and edge retention. This EDC-friendly design fits comfortably in your pocket and delivers on durability, style, and practicality. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.